Welcome to Share Science. Today we're going to be learning about the fun secrets our cereals hold. Our boring breakfast might sometimes come with special prizes inside, but there are a lot more secrets in your cereal than meets the eye, including some surprises which might not look it, but are very good for our diet. Let's do some kitchen science. In today's experiment, we're going to learn all about the superheroes in your food. Any guesses what that might be? Iron! And yep, this is the same iron used to build bridges and in your frying pans. You actually have real metal zooming around inside you right now, not big chunks like a spoon flying around your stomach. Instead, there are tiny, tiny bits of iron in your bloodstream. And guess what? That's a very good thing. So, why is it there? Let's break it down. Your blood has lots of little red cells, and these are like delivery trucks. But instead of carrying packages, they carry something even more important: oxygen. Now, here's the twist. Those little blood cells can't grab oxygen all by themselves. They need help. And that's where iron comes in. Iron is part of a special protein in your blood called hemoglobin. And hemoglobin's job is to grab onto oxygen in your lungs and carry it to the rest of your body, your brain, your muscles, even your pinky finger. If you don't get enough iron, you'll feel tired or even dizzy. That's because your body isn't getting enough oxygen. But with enough iron, your blood becomes a superhero team, fighting off tiredness by delivering lots of oxygen. So, if iron is that important, where do we get it? From our food. Foods like spinach, beans, lentils, eggs, red meat, and yes, even cornflakes are very high in iron. Let's do a super fun experiment to see if we can find the iron in our cereal. To start, here's what you'll need: cornflakes, a Ziploc bag, a strong magnet, a rolling pin or tin, a mixing bowl, and warm water. First of all, take your bag of cornflakes and crush them up into a fine powder with a tin or rolling pin, being extra careful not to pop the bag. Remember to always ask an adult if you need help. Once your cornflakes are a fine powder, transfer them to the mixing bowl and add about 3 liters of warm water so that the cornflake powder can dissolve and move about. Mix this all together so there are as little cornflake clumps as possible. I know this mixture looks gross, but science can be very messy. Once your cornflakes are ready and look like the ones shown in our video, place your magnet in the Ziploc bag and move this bag around in the cornflakes. Now, if you look closely, you should be able to see tiny black specks collecting outside the plastic bag. Those little black specks are the iron. Let's take a closer look at how this cool trick works. You just pulled tiny flecks of iron out of your breakfast cereal with a magnet. But now, you might be thinking, how did the magnet do that? I mean, we didn't glue the iron to the magnet. We didn't push it with our hands. The iron just moved, like it was being whispered to by an invisible force. And that's exactly what magnetism is. Let's break this down. A magnet is something that creates an invisible force, called a magnetic field, around itself. You can't see it, but it's there, like a superpower. A magnetic field only works on magnetic materials, like iron, nickel, and cobalt. And other things like plastic, wood, or spaghetti aren't affected by a magnetic field at all. Inside iron, there are tiny little particles called electrons. They're spinning around all the time. In most materials, all that spinning goes in different directions and cancels out. But in magnetic materials, lots of electrons spin in the same direction. That creates a magnetic field. Magnets have 2 ends, called poles, a north pole and a south pole. And here's the biggest rule of magnets: opposites attract. North pulls south and south pulls on north. But a north and a north, nope, they push away. Same with 2 south poles. So boom! You've just learned how magnets work. Magnets, 1. Breakfast cereal, 0. We hoped you liked today's video learning all about magnetism and the secret heroes in our food. Next time you eat your breakfast, remember that science is everywhere. Also, remember to like and subscribe. To learn more about the science around you and to get more videos just like this, on your homepage automatically.